Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Gemini Soundsplash. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $400. Alright, so let's go through the specs real quick. Now this is Bluetooth version 5.4. Now the speaker features true wireless stereo. That means you can pair two together wirelessly and up to 50 units. Now it's IP67, dust and water resistant, and it floats in the water. You're getting 300 watts of total power with 270-degree immersive sound. Here's the speaker configuration. You're getting two 6.5-inch woofers for your bass, two 2.5-inch woofers for your mids, and two 1.5-inch tweeters for your highs. Now this speaker goes up to 103 decibels loud. The battery life is 24 hours on a single charge, and it takes around 4 to 6 hours to fully charge up. Now you're getting built-in cup holders, a built-in bottle opener, a built-in power bank, which also has a USB flash drive, and you got RGB lights. Not to mention, it comes with a microphone. So all of that for $400. Let's unbox it and see what it is. All right, so here's what you get in the box. You got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. You get the plug, and you get a microphone. And of course, the Gemini Soundsplash. All right, so here's how the speaker looks from the front. In the middle, you got a little Gemini logo, metal speaker grill, and you can see your woofers behind the grill. Now here's how the speaker looks from the back. You can see at the top, you got a carrying handle, you got two cup holders, there's your radiators, bottle top opener, and we're gonna open up this flap right here. All right, so when you open up the waterproof flap, you're gonna see your 1/4-inch mic and guitar inputs. You got a USB-A input, that's gonna be for your power bank, and you can play music from a flash drive. You got a 3.5 auxiliary input. You got your mic and guitar volume and your plug input. And right next to that is your bottle top opener. Now on one side, you got 4 rubber stoppers. Keep in mind, you could play this speaker horizontally or vertically. On the other side, another 4 rubber stoppers. Again, you could play this horizontally or vertically. Now on the bottom of the speaker, you got 4 more rubber stoppers. That's gonna keep it in place. Now here's your control buttons. You got your power on and off. You got volume up and down. Your Bluetooth pairing button. This is going to be for extra bass and your mic echo. These are your RGB lights and your true wireless stereo. Now once you power up the speaker, you can see your RGB lights around the top and bottom and in the logo. Now once the speaker's paired up, you can see the full RGB lights. All right, so now let's do a little sound test. Now I'm going to start off at 50% volume with extra bass turned off. Make sure you put your headphones on. Here we go. Okay, now I'm sitting right in front of this speaker. It sounds great, and I love those RGB lights. All right, let's start the song over. This time, maximum volume. All right, here we go. Maximum volume, and I'm gonna press extra bass halfway through the song.
mode.
All right, now let's try another song. All right, switch it up. Okay, now, I know YouTube might not be doing this video justice, but this speaker sounds insane. It is super loud and that bass is rumbling. All right, so I just turned off all of the lights, so let's check out some of the different RGB patterns. Here we go. Now, keep in mind, you can play the speaker vertically also. All right, so y'all know I got to test out the microphone. Now we got the echo turned on, so let's try it out.
Yeah, DJ Cringe, back up in the building. Drop that track. I need all the ladies to hit the dance floor. Somebody bring some Hennessy to the DJ booth. Let's go.
All right, so now let's try out the built-in power bank. As you can see, I just plugged in a cable, grab a phone, plug it in, and it's charging right up. All right, so now let's try out the built-in bottle top opener. So we got a little Heineken right here. Just like that. Now, as you can see, we got a can of Pepsi and a can of Coke in the built-in cup holders. Now, this speaker floats, so this is going to be perfect for the pool parties and perfect for the beach. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Gemini Soundsplash a major go. This speaker is perfect for the summer. First of all, the sound is super loud, crispy highs and mids, and that bass is rumbling. And if you hit that extra bass button, you're going to get even more bass. You got the RGB lights, built-in cup holders, built-in bottle top opener, a built-in power bank, and the speaker floats, and you're getting 24 hours battery life. This speaker is so dope. Anyway, Gemini Soundsplash, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing, I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.